Now I'm going to show you some keyboard shortcuts for Windows 11. So I'm getting some of these shortcuts from a Microsoft page. I'll put the link in the description for you. So if you want to check it out, you can do that. In this video, I'm going to focus on text editing shortcuts. The first one I'm going to show you is pretty useful. It's pretty basic. You select some text by pushing on the right mouse key and sliding over. So you select this text here. If you want to copy it, you hit Control plus C. Then if you want to paste that text, you hit Control plus V. And this pastes the text on the screen for you. Let's say you have a screen and you want to select all of the text on the screen. You hit Control plus A. And that selects all the text on the screen. Now if you hit the Backspace button on your keyboard, you'll delete all of the text to the left side. If you want to delete the text on the right side, you hit the Delete key. If you have some selected text that you want to delete, you hit Control plus X and it'll delete that text for you. If you want to undo that and get that text back, you hit Control plus Z and that'll return it for you. Now if you decide you want to undo the last action that you did, you hit Control plus Y and that'll undo the action that you last did. So let's say you have some selected text. You want to make that in bold format, you hit Control plus B and it makes it in bold format. Now you have this selected text and you want to put it in italic, you hit Control plus I and it puts it in italic for you. If you have some selected text that you would like to underline, you hit Control plus U and the text becomes underlined for you. This next one is pretty handy if you want to find some text on a screen. You hit Control plus F. This little box will come up and you type in the word you want to find, let's say text. And everywhere text is will be highlighted in yellow. So we could type in a different word like display. And it shows you where display is on the screen. You can scroll up and down with these little arrows to see if it's anywhere else. And wherever it appears, it'll show it to you in the yellow highlight. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you found the information in this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy.